My name is Chris Rabideau. This is my inquiry project for INTE 6720 at the University of Colorado, Denver. I have experience in the field of IT, adult education, and photography. I selected to conduct my inquiry introduction project on multimedia training online for adult learners in an organization. The company is in the final stages of implementing a software update with a new user interface for a widely used database. It is a testing phase as of right now, but will be fully implemented for staff to use in June 2018. The problem lies with the UI and the new upgraded software. For some users, the extreme difference in the functionality of the updated UI can be hindering to their work performance due to the learning curve. I have selected to be a part of the training process for this upgrade. The new database software upgrade will have a completely different user interface. In order to avoid a gap between work performance, a training session must be developed. My research has been conducted to find the best means for training employees. 9 employees were asked to participate in an inquiry research project. Research questions asked included the following. What are the best learning styles? Did they prefer online or traditional instructor-led training? Have they had prior online learning experience? Did they feel comfortable with online learning? And other information. A paper questionnaire was hand-delivered to learners who will be impacted by the new software database update. 22 learners were asked to participate, while only 9 individuals completed the questionnaire prior to this assignment being due. A questionnaire was distributed throughout the workplace to various participants on a sheet of paper with multiple questions. Ages ranging from 23 to 58 were asked to participate in the research. A mixture of gender was consciously made aware of when asking for participants. Data was analyzed by viewing each questionnaire from various participants. Schedule of activities. Develop questions based on research and questions needed to be answered in order to determine a plan of action for moving forward with the online learning process. I distributed the questionnaires to 22 employees who would be directly affected by the database software upgrade. I collected the handouts from the employees and inserted them into a large folder without looking at who completed the questionnaire. The purpose was for it to slightly remain anonymous. Answers were documented collectively so a collective decision could be made based on the answers given from the sample of participants. Findings. My expectations were that 100% of the individuals who participated in the research would have had the same learning style as myself. This turned out not to be so. While I am a visual learner, others were auditory, tactile, and visual learners. The research findings indicated that a great deal expressed multiple learning styles. For instance, some individuals made a distinction that they were a visual and a tactile learner. Not only do they learn from hands-on experience, they also learn from seeing a demonstration of how to complete a task. They perform to be shown visually, and while they're being shown how to do this task, they would also like to follow along with a tutorial at the same time. Conclusion. Understanding the learning styles of fellow employees has assisted in the determination of how the implementation of training will be developed and constructed. Through the research and questionnaires conducted, I feel very strongly in moving forward with an online learning style. For those employees who are completely against the 100% online learning style, I will use a one-on-one instruction to do away with any anxiety of using online teaching and being self-taught and not understanding what is expected of them.